Next and the last one is anonymized data. DataSquirrel detects any sensitive data like names, credit cards, numbers, or emails in your data file and anonymizes it. For example, if you're sharing data or analysis externally but don't want to reveal personal details like customer names, cleaning the data set with the anonymization feature allows you to share the data without compromising on privacy. This is now a common practice when dealing with customer data, as many companies have strict policies requiring anonymization before analysis. Just imagine how tedious it would be for a manager who's handling thousands of rows in their data. With DataSquirrel, you can also download the clean file with your sensitive data anonymized. Now let's look at our data here and see that DataSquirrel has identified candidate name as sensitive data and has recommended that it is anonymized. Here is one of the examples of such data. With just one click, which is selecting this as the cleaning type, one can go ahead and anonymize the data. You can, of course, choose to leave it as it is. It's totally your call.